Welcome, in front of me is a UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and today I'll show you how to boot this device into recovery mode. And to get started, let's hold power key, select power off, and when the device shuts off you want to hold power key and volume up till you see the UMIDIGI logo on the screen. So there we go, let's let go. And after this we should see Android with no command, from which point we will have to hold power key and press volume up to get past it. So power, and there we go. So we are right now in the recovery mode. Now in here we will need to use the volume keys to navigate, as you can see, and then power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And we can do a reboot back to Android from here, reboot to bootloader, which will take us to fast boot mode, apply updates, wipe data, wipe cache partition, mount system, view some logs, run tests, and also power off the device. So whatever you select, like I said, you don't have to confirm with power key, and because I want to leave this mode, I'm gonna select reboot system now, and then power key confirm it. And this should now take me back to Android. And there we go, as you can see, we are now back in Android. So that is how you would boot in and out of the recovery mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.